visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hey everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So tingnan natin kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa paligid, no? I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours and believe in the divine timing kasi this is a timeless reading, no? So pwedeng kung kailan nyo ito napanood, no? Pwedeng ito yung nakapost na, matagal na. Pero kung kailan nyo napanood, the message is meant to find you or the message is meant to find you again. No? So, tingnan natin ang mga nangyayari sa paligid. The Devil card, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Two of Swords. So, nag-intay pa tayo ng ganito katagal for us to actually leave the connection or probably have the idea of leaving the connection. Marami nang nangyayari with the Devil card, no? Ang dami ng red flags nito. However, medyo may katigasan ng ulo natin, pinag-antay natin yung sarili natin, no? Probably it's okay somehow. Why it is okay somehow? Kasi iba-iba naman kasi ang pace ng tao, di ba? Pwedeng ikaw yung tao na gusto kong itry lahat ng options. Gusto kong makita para at least, no, lahat ginawa ko. Para in the end, wala akong pagsisisihan, no? Kasi I can proudly tell myself na I did everything, no? Or probably meron ka ring, pagka-masokista na gusto mo munang ma-feel lahat ng pain, no? And parang kung kailan ako namanhid, dun na lang ako aayaw, no? So hanggat kaya ko, gagawin ko. Hanggat kaya ko, I am going to hold on to this connection with all my might. The Devil card clarified with the Death card and the Eight of Swords. So nagkaroon ng dependency or codependency. What I mean by that is parang nasabi mo siguro sa sarili mo, no, na hindi ako mabubuhay kapag wala itong taong to, no? Sino na lang ang magmamahal sa akin, no? Meron pa bang magmamahal sa akin? So, you probably settled, no, for those situations na sana na nangyari or ginawa mo na, no, nung mga panahon na pwede pa. Actually, pwede pa naman. Nakikita naman natin pwede pa. Kaya pang umurong. Kaya mo pang bumangon, mag-move forward. It just so happened probably na meron tayo ng, baka kasi with the Devil card, baka kasi narcissistic din itong taong to, no, na pinaniwala tayo na wala nang ibang magmamahal sa atin, wala nang ibang magtsatsaga sa atin, no? Parang pinaramdam niyang kulang ka kapag wala siya. So, now, nauntog ka kasi there's Two of Swords in here. Parang sinabi mo, oy, sandali. Nahilo man ako, no? Nandito na ako na nahihimas-masa na ako. With the Nine of Cups and the Three of Pentacles. Nung nauntog ka, siguro bumukas ng konti yung bungo mo, no? Napasukan ng hangin at nakakita ka ng liwanag. Sabi mo, ay, kaya ko pa pala, no? Ay, mas maluwag siguro ang mundo kapag nakaalis ako dito sa tanikala lang ito. Wow, tanikala. Sa tanikala ng pag-ibig na ito, no? At least now, you're wondering what's the world, no, behind the walls. So siguro, no, you're praying and wishing or hoping na sa kabila, no, ng or paglabas mo ng bahay ni Kuya, no, na merong bright future na nag-aantay sa iyo. So para kang nasa bahay ni Kuya, you still want to fight, 'di ba? With all the challenges. Pero parang gusto mo na mag-force evict, parang ganon. Parang gusto mo nang sabihin na, Kuya, out na ako dito. Nahihirapan na ako, no? I think I forgot the name, Carmel yata, no? I just saw that sa social media. Parang yun yata ang kanyang hinanakit ngayon, no? Pagod na siya. So, parang wini-wish na ma-force evict na ako. Siguro ganun din yung sa'yo na wini-wish ko na lang na makahanap siya ng iba, no, para makawala ako dito sa dynamic namin na ganito. With the Queen of Cups and the Hierophant. So, Queen of Cups, alam mo, yung puso mo maano pa rin eh. Hindi ko alam kung marupok o mabuti kang tao. Kasi every time siguro, no, na parang sinasabing, sorry na, magbabago na ako, ayun, sige pa rin, no? Sige ang pagpapatawad. Did it happen just recently? Or parang sinasabi mo, naawa din naman ako sa taong to. Actually, nado pa rin yung concern mo, no, dito sa taong to. Kapag nawala ako, mas lalo to mapapariwara. So, hindi ko alam kung sino ba ang mas mahalaga sa'yo, mas importante ba sa'yo ang sarili mo? O mas importante ang person na ito, no? Siguro nga, no, mas minahal mo ito kaysa pa, higit pa sa sarili mo. With the Magician and the Four of Cups. So, ang nakikita natin dito, you're trying your best to actually get out of the dynamic. Sinusubukan mo talaga na mawala na itong feelings, no? Pero kasi, ang nangyayari dito, ang pinakamahirap na naging kalaban mo yung sarili mo. Pinakamahirap dito yung part na pinipilit mo yung sarili mong tama na. Actually, hati yung pagkatao mo eh. The mind is telling you to stop. The heart is telling you to move forward and go on. And, I mean, to stretch your patience, no? Believe in this dynamic. Mahirap. With the Lovers, the Seven of Wands, and the Judgment. Parang sinasabi ng universe, this is a karmic twin flame, actually. And you have to make a decision of searching for your real twin flame. Kasi with the Judgment in here, you might be blinded. No, kasi the Lovers signifies twin flame connection. But the Devil card is also here, no? Which I feel like this signifies the karmic twin flame connection. I think that the Devil card blinds you. Nako, para siyang merong isang different version of a Bible story na parang sinasabi, I think that this is more of the Gnostic, no? Baka nakikita niyo na ang aking kaloob-looban. The Gnostic story said that the demiurge was the one who created the earth, and they don't want, they don't want the people to understand and learn, and to have knowledge, and kinukulong no sa kamangmangan, for the sake of fear, para matakot, madaling makontrol, Sophia, which is the the god who created that demiurge, parang sinasabing, I am the only, god of this creation, blah blah, yada yada. Pero there's actually someone, no? There's some more in this demiurge world, can get you, or you can get the essence of life more than doon sa ginagalawan, no? Those are just the Gnostic. But either way, parang ganito yung nangyayari, no? Because of fear, you cannot get out of this situation because of probably the manipulations per se, no? Pero sinasabi, this is a karmic, eh. You have to make a decision. You or the person, no? Yeah, life may be unfair sometimes, most of the times, but life is also a matter of survival, no? There are people that is worth fighting for, but there are people who is worth leaving, no? How can you help someone if that person do not actually want helping, no? So yeah, this is your reading. Kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Inuubo na ako, parang ahuan nyo na. Mag-subscribe, like, share, comment, no? That's actually helping the channel to grow, no, for algorithm. And if you have some questions, or personal questions, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? So now let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, which is the sun, moon, rising. Of course, this is your reading. Lalabas din talaga, no, ang inyong zodiac sign or a placement in your chart. I am seeing Leo, Gemini, Pisces,